to A Place in the Rain. Today we have first-time property hunters Oisin and Hannah. Hannah's looking for a nice house in the proximity of Dublin city centre that she can commute to and from work. So let's get house hunting! So guys, why have we decided to get our own place?
Well, we've wanted to take this step for a while now, to be more independent, I suppose.
Yeah, definitely. We saved up for ages. We cancelled our Netflix years ago. And, well, living with your parents is great and all. We do love them, but I think it's time we moved out. After all, we are 32.
Ideally, what kind of property are we going for?
Well, something in the city centre, to be honest.
Nothing.
Preferably a property in the state within our budget.
Well folks, you see, unfortunately, I don't think we're going to be able to get you anywhere inside the city centre, so there's going to have to be a bit of a compromise. We're going to have to situate you outside the city centre.
Yes, that'll have to do.
So glad Hannah and Oisin are being open-minded. We're off to Naas to view a property with that community feeling Hannah and Oisin really want. Although it has an unreliable bus service, I think Hannah and Oisin will really enjoy what the town centre has left to offer. A local park, cinema nearby, our property might be the winner. Not to mention the asking price of $250,000 has since dropped in the market this year. $249,000. What a steal. So, what do we think to change the scene?
It's perfect. So much better than the last property.
I would love, I can't wait to see inside.
I think the compromise was worth it.
Super. Well, it is semi-detached, but with the higher price and budget, I think it's well worth it. How about we have a look around and see what you think? Whoa, hold up guys, not that way. What? Yeah, it's around the back. So, it's a little cramped, but it's easy access through the back if you don't watch your step there. So,
It's a shed.
on the outside it might seem like a shed, but the inside, I swear to God, you can make a home. You are full of fucking shit. So guys, if this is not a home, I don't know what is. We have full access to the house, only the bathroom for a monthly fee, great garden outside, really friendly neighbours, and a huge great community outside.
What do you think?
I mean, it's nice, there's just no space or privacy.
I think a bit of clearing out, and you'll have yourself a home. We started off great. I'm not too sure if they like it, but we have another property for them that has all the necessities and everything that they need. How about we have a look? So our last property is right beside the motorway. There's enough trees for that add a bit of privacy, which Hannah and Oisin want. I feel like it's that nature element that Hannah will really appreciate. Right beside Salad train station and Naas Town. Let's check it out.
You must be taking the piss.
Nice indoor area, huge outdoor bathroom. You can really take in the scenery. It's amazing, really. And on top of that, the price has been slashed in half. 110,000. Hop in, see what we think.
It's not the worst.
It's not great though.
Any sugars?
I'm fine actually.
No, I'm good.
So folks, how's the house hunting going so far?
I think we'll have to reconsider moving out.
Yeah, maybe live with our parents for another 10 years or so, see how we are financially then.
So, unfortunately, Hannah and Oisin didn't find their forever home. They may be living with their mammies for the next couple of years. Join us next time in A House in the Rain, where we try find some Erasmus students in some households where we can't even house anyone in Ireland. See you then.